everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Christine and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you the things that I got from Walmart for their first Black Friday event. So that was like 2 weeks ago. I don't remember, 1 week ago. So I got a couple things to share with you. What I got for their Black Friday first event. So first one that I got, this little cute tiny blocks for Ayla. This is for 6 months older. So in December she would be able to play with these blocks because on December she's 6 months already. And next is this I don't know, how do you call this, little circle, something like this. Again, 6 plus older, so in December she would be able to play with this too. Super cute little toys. I like those little toys that does not take the space in the living room because our living room is too small. Is this socks, Hanes socks, 13 cushion ankle socks for, I think this is $7 for 13 pair of socks. So it's a good deal for 13 pair of socks. It's good for every day, especially I'm working. I need more socks for every day so that I'm not worried if I forgot to do laundry. I have plenty of extra socks. Next is extra underwear. So this is a 6-pack of underwear for $6. Why not? So cheap. So again, if we forgot to do laundry, we have another extra underwear to wear if we forgot to do laundry. So ayun lang guys yung napamili ko nung first event nila ng Black Friday. Napamili lang tayo ng konti. Alright everyone, that's it for the things that I got for first event Black Friday from Walmart. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!